All right, so today we are taking notes over slope-intercept form. If you click on Google Classroom, you'll see these notes. Sorry, my computer is really slow today. So slope-intercept form. Step one is find the slope. Remember, when you're trying to find a slope, you're using the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If you're using that slope formula, you label first x, first y. Because remember, every ordered pair is x comma y. Second x, second y. So now if I fill that into the formula, I'm going to get 6 minus 4 over negative 3 minus 2, which is 2 divided by negative 5. That's number one. Number two, using that same formula, x1, first x, first y, second x, second y. I have negative 8 minus negative 5 divided by 2 minus negative 3. Well, remember, a negative minus a negative always becomes a positive, so this would become a positive. This would become a positive as well. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So that means my rise is 3. I'd count down 3 and over 5 if I had an ordered pair there. This next one, x1, y1, x2, y2. Use my slope formula once again. 9 minus negative 4 divided by negative 2 minus 5. Well, 9 minus negative 4 becomes 9 plus 4, which is 13. Negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. This one, x1, y1, x2, y2. Now this one's interesting. If you notice, I've taught you over in class, those 8s are the same. If I'm using that formula, it's going to be 8 minus 8. If I automatically see, wait, my y's are the same. If I were to plot it on the graph, 8 minus 8 is 0. So 0 divided by anything, which 3 plus 6 is 9, is just 0. So that is our warm-up for today. And there's all the answers right there. And I guess I need to erase this. Here we go. So slope-intercept form is a way to express the equation of a line. Slope-intercept form, if you remember learning before, is y equals mx plus b. It is, you've learned slope, you've learned a y-intercept. This is combining everything we've learned together into one unit. So from there, the slope-intercept form tells you the slope and the y-intercept of the line. If I remember telling you, y is always the slope. M is always the slope, and b is always the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is that intercept up and down, so wherever it's crossing the y-axis. If I drew a line here, if I had a graph, this here, wherever your graph is crossing this circled axis, that is your y-intercept. So what is the slope of this line and what is the y-intercept? So we already said slope is the number in front of the x. X is not a slope. The y-intercept, y equals mx plus b. So to identify it here, my slope is negative 2. My y-intercept is negative 6. The same thing will continue on for the rest of these problems. Oops. Here, my slope is 1, because the invisible 1 in front of the x, and my y-intercept is 3. So that is the start of these notes. If you need any more help, please let me know, and I will help you complete the worksheet that is assigned to go with this lesson.